Good morning, welcome back, and it's going to be a real quick vlog today, but we just happened to be here on opening day of the reopening of Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger Spin. They've made some major updates and improvements. I just rode it the first time. Therese hopped on it. She was a little bit behind me, and so I'm waiting on her to come out, and we're going to ride it again and take you through it real quick. So let's get ready to go.
It is so much cooler, like, to be able to lift it up and hold it and really aim at what you're aiming at instead of.
Show us that move again.
But what you forget about.
Show us that move again.
So what you forget about is, because you're so caught up into like hitting the target, you forget to turn it and like spin the whole vehicle.
But it is
excitement.
But it is really good. So we're hopping back on again. And I will say, if you've never rode it before, you won't necessarily know what you're missing. But if you have rode it before, the queue for the most part is the same. It's really the ride itself that's changed for the better.
Star Command confirms you're all battle-ready recruits. All right, rookie Space Rangers, listen up. Main Squadron will retreat the power cells, while the rest of you...
Face forward. I'd like lower your cruiser shield.
Watch your step.
Okay, almost ready for launch. Let's try your blasters out real quick.
So right away you see you can move the dots around, so it's always there. To give you a little place to practice.
You've got the stick. Make sure Zerg's plans fail to launch. Oh.
And I'm giving Therese control.
Lightyear Space Ranger, you're doing great. Keep it up. Our man believes in you, and so do I.
So right now we are in a close match, 98,000 to 95,000, or 90,500. And we're stopped, so we can kind of add up. Oh, she's way ahead of me. Current score.
Extraterritorial extraterrestrial.
They have them on the wall behind you.
Whoa! Whatever they are.
Oh no.
No one can stop me now. Reconnect the power cells. Power! I need more power!
Follow, sir.
Dang it.
The universe is in jeopardy. This is the team that will save us.
Whew, I am so far behind right now. I'm trying to make it closer.
Stars! Kick back, I'll bring you in for landing.
Uh-oh. We got target bonuses, but it's still not enough. Show that celebration.
Mission accomplished, Space Rangers.
Still a space ace.
She got me. I'm gonna have to put down a camera and be more serious about it. Try to learn it. But it's super fun. And then they have so many screens up there. You just go up there and touch, find yours. We're number 9 at the top. I'm sure Trez is up there getting it. All right, what you thinking of the ride?
Loved it. Loved it. So much better. So much better. I think everything is a lot smoother. The gun comes off. You have more control over your targets. I love it. It's so fun.
Yeah, just the best thing is the laser always stays on, not just when it's shooting. So you can hear the gun shoot, the laser's always on, so you always know where you're pointing. And then the other part about it is like you're always limited by the gun being attached. And now I can be like, the cart can be facing one way and I can turn around to the other side with the gun and shoot on the backside or whatever. So that was super fun.
And let me add this. Your color on your laser, like I had red, you had green. So you knew exactly where your laser was on the targets.
Yeah, absolutely. No, all the carts are red and green. So there's a lot of green dots and a lot of red dots. But the fact that it always stays on makes it easier for you to
Yes.
identify yours.
Yes.
So anyway.
So fun.
Yep. Highly recommend when you come. Great job, great update.
Yes.
So we'll definitely be riding it more. You have a
Bye.
good one. Bye.